everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a beautiful day. Y'all, let's talk about the adhesives I'll be using in 2022. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by because today it's all about adhesives. But before we jump into it, thank you all so much for the wonderful way that you have supported me, Baby Posh, Sissy Posh, my other sisters, my whole family, just the wonderful words of encouragement that you've had for all of us and the wonderful way in which you support my channel in such a positive way. Thank you so much. Whether I like to admit it or not, sometimes YouTube can be a little challenging, but it's you guys, the positive support and encouragement that I get from you guys that helps to keep me going and helps to continue to motivate me to bring you guys wonderful content day in and day out. So thank you so very much for the wonderful way in which you support me and my channel. Now, today we're going to talk about 5 adhesives that I have in my CRAFTY toolkit that I have picked up from the Dollar Tree that I will continue to use in 2022. Most of them I think you've seen me using on the channel, but I'm going to give you a quick rundown of what they are so that if you happen to be looking for something similar, you'll be able to grab them when you see them. Now, for those of you who don't have access to a Dollar Tree, please continue to look in your discount stores or wherever you're shopping for your craft supplies because they probably have something similar, and they may even have a generic version of the name brands that we tend to gravitate towards. So if you're looking to get into paper crafting and you're looking for some of the things that you want to pick up, the items that I'm going to show you in today's video, as well as the playlist that I'll have linked in the description box, is going to be a great, inexpensive way for you to dip your toes into those crafty waters. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to get started. All right, y'all, so here we go with another 5 for 5. Today we're going to talk about adhesive type products I get from the Dollar Tree and I keep in my CRAFTY stash. Now you guys know that I am a committed reptile adhesive fan. So this isn't a conversation about reptile or wet glue. Y'all know what I think of it, and y'all know that it is the only wet glue that I use. So today I'm going to share with you some other adhesive products that I get from the Dollar Tree that are awesome in our paper crafting. And again, I'm going to say it. For those of you who are new to paper crafting, this is a great way of getting into the paper crafting game without breaking the bank, because these are some very good products. We're going to start out with the Pop Dot tape. Dollar Tree sells this in different sizes and different shapes. So you can get it pre-cut into the little squares. You can get it in the rolls, which is what I buy because I like to cut off the amount that I need. And as you can see from the side view, you have 3 different widths on each roll. So you don't have to settle for cutting off part of the large roll if you only need it to be as wide as this roll. So in here we have 1/4 of an inch, almost 3/8 of an inch, and 1/2 an inch. This is great because you get 2 yards on each roll. And as we all know, Pop Dot material will last us a very long time. So if you're looking for some Pop Dots, I like using these. They stick very well. And if you're looking to elevate an item on a project, using something like this is perfect. And then I also like to buy the Dollar Tree Velcro dots because you get 20 pairs in this pack. If you don't need a whole disc, you can just cut it in half and use half of it so you can really make this stretch. But this is a great way of securing a project without actually having to use magnets or tape. So while it's not considered a typical adhesive, it is an adhesive because you are fastening one item to another. So if you're looking for some quality Velcro, this has worked out very well for me. I actually purchased a large roll of Velcro a while back from Amazon, and I think you got 1,000 on the roll. But I have to say that I can't even tell a difference in the quality between that one and this one. So in my CRAFTY adhesive collection, I'm going to have some Dollar Tree Velcro dots. And then I have some of the double-sided Dollar Tree tape. This is a little larger than 1/4 of an inch wide. This isn't my standard go-to tape. You guys know that I love scrappy tape, and I love scrappy tape in all different sizes. But I wanted to try out the Dollar Tree tape to see how it would work And I've been trying out this thinner roll for about 6 or 7 months now. And I have to say, I haven't been disappointed in it. And if you're looking for an entry-level tape into your double-sided tape collection, this one is certainly worth a look. So again, newbies, if you're just coming into the craft, you don't have to spend a fortune to get some of those things that you see us using. And then my glue dots. I use glue dots from everywhere and anywhere. And when I see them and they're separated like this, and I can tear it off and just pull off one instead of taking it off of a roll. This has 72 pieces in it. This is perfect for the type of crafting that I like to do. These are disc style dots, and I'm trying to hold it so that y'all can hopefully see that on each one you have a disc, and I'll flip it over to the back and hopefully you can see that this is perforated so you can just tear off what you need. And as a matter of fact, I'll just tear one. And the disc is underneath, and we just peel away that plastic backer. And there is our glue on the plastic, and you just take it and stick it down wherever you need it. From the time that I can remember, I've always kept some type of a glue dot in my adhesive toolkit because they come in handy, whether it's to stick down a magnet or it's to close down the edge of a piece of paper that might not be sticking all the way. Glue dots are a staple in my Crafty collection. Dollar Tree now offers them in the Crafter Square, so you can definitely pick up some glue dots, 72 pieces, really, really inexpensively. And then my last adhesive are these jumbo glue sticks. They are a perfect fit for my glue gun, and they go a very long way. They heat nicely in the glue gun, and they adhere very well. I had some glue sticks a while back that I talked to you guys about in a previous video that didn't quite get the job done for me. They would stick down, and then a couple of days later, you would go in and everything that you stuck down with the glue had come undone. I have not found that to be the case with these glue sticks. They also sell them in the smaller size. So if you have those smaller glue guns that have the skinnier glue sticks, and they're about half the size of this, they also sell them at Dollar Tree as well. I have 5 wonderful adhesive options available to me at the Dollar Tree. Now again, if you don't have a Dollar Tree in your area, but you're in the US, go to dollartree.com. You might be able to pick up some of these online. I'm not sure how many you have to purchase for them to ship, but go check them out because you might have those options. So here we have it, my 5 for 5 on Dollar Tree adhesives that I have in my Crafty adhesive toolkit that you will see me using, that you have seen me using, and you will continue to see me using these in 2022. So again, for those of you who are not looking to invest a whole lot, but you want good quality, this is good quality. And if you don't have a Dollar Tree, but you do have a discount store, check them out because they might have their own line of crafty products that you might enjoy just as much as I am enjoying these. So guys, thank you so much for joining me for yet another 5 for 5 that you will see from me in 2022. As always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.